the beautiful natural beauty and all the dynamic lifestyle of Shenzhen also attract me to come here. Good morning. So myself Dr. Manas Mondol, and my research area after that in the field of biology and computational biophysics and protein and protein DNA interactions and many things related to these. In 2017, I moved in China. I joined in Peking University, Beijing, and I worked in Professor Yijing Gao group, and then in basically chemistry department of the Peking University. I did my postdoctoral study there for 2.5 years, and then I got the position in Shenzhen Bay Lab in Shenzhen, and at the end of 2019, I moved in Shenzhen and joined here as a research associate professor. And this is newly developed laboratory in last 5 years. So it have many infrastructure, many computational and other facilities, and these Shenzhen Bay Lab, the main focus is the improvement of biological science and biological research for the purpose of the good health and disease of the human being, microscopy and anything. And we are the group, we mainly focus on the computational work or computational biophysics to understand the different cellular mechanism or different kind of disease mechanism and drug development, this kind of thing. So when I got the opportunity in Shenzhen to work in this Shenzhen Bay Lab with this kind of infrastructure, I very much happy to got this. So main goal is our research is to study the different interactions and how these molecules behave inside the cell and do their function to maintain our body. And if any kind of disease happen, then how this molecule basically changes their function and what is the things which basically changes their function. Then we can understand that. If we can understand that, we can develop drug based on that, and we have to specifically model the drug in such a way such that it can actually activate the properties or activate the function of that molecule again. Shenzhen is another kind of newly born and newly developing cities. I like Shenzhen very much, and when I came back in Shenzhen, I feel very much comfortable because in Shenzhen many more international researchers or many international families stay here. So it is for me it looks much more energetic when I came here in Shenzhen. So many Indian families are there, so we can celebrate here many festivals, Indian festivals here and together. The government is providing the talent house for the innovative researchers, so I applied for that, and Shenzhen Bay Lab basically helped me to apply for all these applications. I came back 2021 January, then I moved from Nanshan to Guangming. I am very much honored to get this kind of facilities because in Guangming the natural beauty is very nice, because this is little bit far from the I can say the crowded area of this Shenzhen, but there is nicely developed. This area goes on the parallel to the nature, as well as the development of all the high building is very nice. So I feel very nice to here stay in Guangming. My wife just joined with me. When I was in Beijing, that time we were in two different places. One is India and another is China. She is now also working here as a postdoctoral fellow. So this is our talent department. So we have one master bedroom and another small study room, and we have this common space. The environment is very nice. We love this kind of apartment.
This place is very good, and I like Guangming because there are lots of greenery and lots of air, and I like Shenzhen also because we met many Indian family, and also our neighbors Imo and Howard are very good and very helpful.
We enjoy our life in Shenzhen very much, along with the research work as well as our daily life.